Why I want to change the way people invest in property, and I feel pretty strongly about this actually. Really I just feel that the way people invest in property now, first and foremost, I feel the way people buy and sell property is broken. It takes so long, you have a ton of expenses and upfront fees, you've got to put your lawyer in fees, you've got to pay for a survey or a valuation, you need to do searches on the local area, and you'd need to pay a mortgage advisor, you'd need to pay bank arrangement fees, several things that you just shouldn't need to do in this day and age. And the second thing is that property investment isn't open to everybody. It's something everybody aspires to, but it's not available to, I would say, the majority of people. And I have been in the fortunate position where I have, one of my cars might be in there actually. Milan? Hey, yo, what's up Pete? You might be now.
Sign something.
No. You're right. Hey mate, you're right. I've been in a privileged position where I've been able to buy and sell property myself, and I've just become so frustrated with the amount of nonsense involved and the amount of professionals that are taking money out of every single transaction, and ultimately what that does is it significantly reduces your return on investment and just makes the process overall less enjoyable and less attractive. So it's a really quick snapshot on why I want to change the way people invest, and in future I'll tell you a lot more about how. Thank you very much.